Hello, welcome to my channel. I want to show you how I prepare spaghetti jellof with cabbage in my kitchen. So guys can see it on the fire. It's already, it's about to done. I see I sliced cabbage on it. I see, just sliced cabbage on it. So inside here I use tomato puree and diced tomato, derica. I use pepper, I use onion, I use vegetable oil, I use Maggi seasoning, salt, pepper and crayfish to take prepare it. So I didn't put too much oil, so guys can see it. Prepare it in my home, for my family, friends. I do it like this. I do a pepper chicken or beef to take eat it with it. So it's just a simple menu. Just want to show you guys how I take do it. Just cut your onion, fry your vegetable oil, put your tomato and pepper, fry them together, then add stock, put your spaghetti inside. Then after it's quarter to done, you now cut your cabbage and take garnish it. So it's just a short and simple video that I want to show you guys. So thanks for watching. Please, if you like this video, please subscribe, comment, share it to your loved one. Please watch it till the end and see it. It's just a simple video. Boil your spaghetti, parboil your spaghetti before you do it, so that everything will go fine. It's just a short and simple video. See you in my next video. I love you all. Bye.